Hi traders, it's Eddie here from TradeView and welcome to episode number 205 of Trading Talk. In this week's episode, Matt talks about market direction, what it really is and why it's important to look at in your trading. He shares three of his favourite techniques used to define the market direction using the popular model framework that we show in recent Trading Talk episodes 188 and 198. The different methods are tested to see which one performs the best with some very interesting results. Speaking of interesting results, a couple of weeks ago I built the basic rules for Trevor Neil's 2021 Algo conference model and it's looking great so far. If you haven't seen the video, we'll put the link below or send me an email and I'll make sure that you get it. Make sure that you get the final version of the model along with models from Perry and Stefano by getting yourself a ticket to this year's Algo trading conference. If you're not already a client and you'd like to watch this episode in full and create the models that Matt shows you, just purchase the series by clicking the Learn More button on the top left of this page or in the YouTube description if you're watching this video there. To get updated first when a new episode's been released, simply subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure that you click on the bell icon to receive notifications. I really hope you enjoy this episode number 205 of Trading Talk, and until next week, all the best with your trading.